Hello everybody, welcome to this next video. Here we have a series of the questions which were there in the previous year's UGC NET exam. So this question is based on linear algebra, based specifically on matrices or linear transformations, and this was asked in December 2013 for 3 marks. So let us look at the statement. Let A be a 4 cross 4 invertible real matrix. So you are given a 4 cross 4 invertible real matrix. Which one of the following is not true, not necessarily true? So the first option is the rows of A forms the basis of R4. Now let us look at the first option. Is it correct, or is it true or not? Now you see, A is invertible, right? It means that determinant of A is non-zero. That means rank of A is 4, right? And there are 4 rows. It means that all the rows are linearly independent. Rows of A are linearly independent. So you get 4 vectors. So 4 rows of A are linearly independent, right? And each is of size 4 cross 1. Size 4 cross 1. So these are the vectors in R4. Therefore, it is a basis of R4. It is a basis of R4. So the first statement is correct. And we have to find out the not true statement. So first statement is true. Now the second statement, null space of A contains only 0 vector. Null space of A. So you should know what is null space of A. Any vector x, y, z will belong to the null space of A if A, x, y, z is 0. Now because determinant of A is non-zero, therefore A inverse exists. So it implies A inverse into A, x, y, z is equal to A inverse into 0. So it implies x, y, z is equal to 0, 0, 0, right? So it means that null space contains only the 0 vector. Null space contains only the 0 vector. Only the 0 vector. So the second statement is also true. So that is not our answer. Third, A has 4 distinct eigenvalues. So this is, now you should know it is not true, because you look at this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 0 everywhere else. Right. What is the determinant of this matrix? Determinant of this matrix is, this is invertible matrix, right? 24 determinant. But all the eigenvalues are distinct. But you can have something like this. Here you have 2. That also determinant is, here is 16. So, but all the eigenvalues are not distinct because it is a diagonal matrix. So, eigenvalues will be 1, 2, 2, 4. So, it is not necessarily that the eigenvalues are distinct. They may be distinct, but it is not necessary. So, your statement is which one of the following is not true, not necessarily true. So, this is our option. Now, let us look at D part, that the image of a linear transformation x going to Ax in R4 is R4. So, what you are saying, D part, you are saying, C part. So this is not necessarily true. Not necessarily true, C part. Now D part is that you are defining a linear transformation from R4 to R4 where you take a vector x and you multiply it with A. Right. Now we know that, and it is asked that what is the image of T? Image of T. Image means range. Basically T is from here to here, R4 to R4. So you want to know all the elements they are mapped to a subset of R4, that R4 is actually R4. This is what they are asking. Now you see, now here A is invertible and the rank of T is same as rank of A. Rank of T, which is the dimension of the image space, is same as rank of A. Now rank of A is 4 because A is invertible. So this is the dimension of the image of T, right? So this implies, if the dimension of the image of T is 4, it implies that image of T is R4, right? So the fourth option is also correct. So the only option which is not necessarily true is C. Therefore, answer to this particular problem is C, right? So this is how you solve this problem. Please share this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.